Hey guys, so today I'm going to be trying the Mini Nilla Wafers. We are going to taste test this together and see if they are good or taste better than the original. So here are the Mini Nilla Wafers that we are going to taste test together to see if they are better than the original or the normal size Nilla Wafers. Okay, so here are, okay, so we're gonna taste test this together. Yes, these are good. These are good. Let me know down in the comments below if you like these better than if you like them better than the regular Nilla wafers, or do you prefer the Mini Nilla Wafers better? But here's a close-up of what they look like. Like, to me, I don't really like, as far as size, I don't really see a difference in the size as the mini ones versus the regular ones. Now, bag wise, yes, I think there is a difference because this bag is smaller than the regular size bag. But other than that, I don't really see a difference. Let me know down in the comments down below. Have you ever seen a difference between the Mini Nilla Wafers and the original, like as far as size or bag? Because I don't think there's a difference. The only difference I think is the bag. I don't think there's a difference in size. Because here is the box. So here's the box. Let me know down in the below if you think there's a difference. Now, no, I haven't ate these all. No, I haven't. Don't get me wrong. And I opened the box upside down. But don't get me wrong. I haven't ate all of them. It's just when I get snacks, I take them out of the box and I put them in my pantry in like a little bucket to save space in my pantry. So that way my box of snacks won't be taking up too much room. So that's a quick key tip. If you don't want your boxes of snacks taking up a whole bunch of room, you could take them out of the box like I did. And you could get you like a little basket or a little bin or whatever and put them in the basket. And then put the basket in your pantry where you hold your snacks if you do not want the box taking up way too much space. But this does come with 10 packs of the Nilla Wafers. And these are actually, honestly, these are actually really good. Keynote, here are all the other snacks that also come kind of around the same brand as the Nilla Wafers. So here's the box one more time. Nilla Wafers, not vanilla like vanilla ice cream, just Nilla, Nilla. I don't want people to call them vanilla wafers, which I think if you do Google them, I think they are originally called vanilla wafers. I think that's their actual name, but in this case, this is the Mini Nilla Wafers. So back to these Nilla Wafer Minis. Let me know down in the comments below, would you try these? Would you want to taste these? Here, you can try. I know you can't try them on camera. Haha. But here's a close-up. Now, I know for the people who in the UK, they call these chips, okay? So if you're watching from the UK, these are called cookies for us in the US. But I know y'all are calling these chips. Because I know in the UK, they call their cookies, I think they call them chips. I know they call their fries chips, but here's what they look like. So we're gonna taste one again. Yum, yes ma'am. Now, I don't usually, you can dunk these in milk if you would like. I don't usually drink white milk. I drink almond milk, like almond white milk or chocolate. But that's technically, I don't know why it's weird, but That's technically the only white milk I would drink is almond milk. But you can dunk these in milk. I'm not going to do it on camera for you guys because I do not have, like, I don't even know if I have milk downstairs. But you can dunk these in milk. Just like you dunk your cookies in milk, like your chocolate chip cookies. You can also dunk these in milk. If you prefer. Because I know some people prefer to dunk their cookies in milk. Like I heard a lot of people dunk like a dunk, like you're dunking your basketball. I heard a lot of people dunk their cookies in milk, like their chocolate chip cookies in milk. So if you would like to dunk these in milk, you may, and let me know how they taste. Like I could try it, but like I said, I'm not really a fan of white milk. I'm more a fan of almond milk than I am white. So let me know down in the comments below if you would prefer to dunk these in milk and try these with milk, because that's what we were going to do today. But side note, I don't think I have any regular milk downstairs in the kitchen, so we're not going to be dunking on camera. Maybe next time. But so yeah, but that's, I mean, they're not bad. They're honestly not bad. Let me come up to the closer to the camera. Now, if you are really into that quality, like I'm not gonna go into the calories and everything, but they're at the bottom. Because I'm not really into the calories and stuff because I exercise like every day off of YouTube. So I don't really care about the calories because I'm going to eat them and then burn them off by exercising. But if you are more into calories, like when you pay attention to what you eat in calories, they're down here at the bottom of the screen. I mean, at the bottom. So that's just a key tip for people who do pay attention to calories. Because like I said, I don't, because I exercise every day when I'm not filming. So yeah, so that, let me know. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe and turn on the bell for more great videos and posts and shorts and everything. Also, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments down below. Like I said, leave your comments down below. You can post them here, you can post them on my community, you can post them on my community tab, on my community. I say that a lot because I don't want people to get it mixed up. So you can actually comment what you think about this video down below in the comments, or if you have any other things to say about me or about my videos that's positive, you could also comment that down below, and or you could post it in my community. So if you have enjoyed this lovely Nilla Wafers video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you turn that bell on. Make sure that bell says all, not personalized. Only personalized if you have so many people you subscribe to and you can't keep up. But make sure you hit that bell. Make sure you turn it on all. Once again, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave them comments down below.